Hello my friends, this is SAkGUY. Today I want to show you this new modification of a Swiss Army knife built by my own, and yes, it's for a friend. It's a 4-layer model, and yes, I only want to show you all the layers. At the back we have the corkscrew with here the little fine screwdriver, and here is a needle, and with plus scales with the pen, and here's the toothpick. Everyone knows this. And yes, we start with the first layer. Here we have a combo tool. If you can hear it, a very nice snap of all tools. It's a large blade. And yes, the scissors in the second layer. Oh, I forgot, the scissors has the hook. You can put the pin here into the hook like this, close it, and then you can write much better. So third layer, we have a little lamp and a flashlight, and here we have the Phillips screwdriver. It's in the middle of the knife, so I think it's the best position of this tool. And yes, the last layer, we have the pliers. It was a little bit different to put all tools together. The newer pliers has here the nail nick. It's new at this tool, but you cannot reach the nail nick because of the flashlight, but you can open the tool like this, and in the old style I think it's also okay. Yes, this is a new 4-layer knife for a friend of me, and I hope he enjoys this knife. And yes, keep on watching my channel and have a nice day.